So here's the package that came with my kit for the Pivo unit. The Pivo head unit came in this package here. It's a nice package. There's a paper sleeve on here, and a nice zipper. And inside are the mounts. Now the actual unit is down here, but it comes with two different clamping mounts, and that came in handy. Well, I could talk about that later in a review. There's also a slot where the remote control stays, so it's a real nice little package. So it comes with a controller, and the controller's cool. It's a dimming controller, up and down, and it has a bunch of steps. Here's the connector's a USB-C connector, and so it has the regular. You plug this into the laptop or your USB connector, and this goes to your USB-C to the what's right here. And this USB-C cable connects right here, and it connects into the lighting, which is built in. We'll get to that in a moment. So this came all folded up, and I had to kind of reach in here and pull out the flap before I could get it to unlock, which was kind of neat, and it was kind of a pain. So the unit unfolds, and you can see it has the trademark here, or the logo. It unfolds out like this. And you can see how simple it is. The lighting is actually two strips of lighting. This is a genius. And then it folds out, and then it has these three tab A's that connect to tab B, kind of a thing. And this is really neat. They've got these snaps in here, so I'm just going to fold this over. Now, I had to poke these little things out. I'm going to fold it up, and the other flap has the other end of the snap, and I just bring it in here and I snap it together. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to finish it, and it's real easy. Look at the three parts. The hole goes between the pretty part and the ugly part, the snap halves, and then you just snap it together. So. Okay, now this is pre-scored, and there's one of the strips of light is actually on this pre-scored part. So I've been that in for some light, and now back to that cord. Maybe 4 feet. This I'm going to plug into I've just got one of these wall adapter plug-ins to supply standard USB power. And then this is going to connect right into the connector there. And that's it. So now I can take the controller and I can turn it on and off. It has the dimming function. And it goes down to a pretty low amount. So let's take a quick run through the settings. This is the lowest setting. You can turn it on and off with the button in the middle. And it's lighted, it's illuminated for the dark. And it has several settings of brightness. Now the unit also came with 3 backdrops. Black, white, and your green chroma key. Now these are neat. They have little tabs in the top. Little slots, I guess. And the tabs are built in the back of the unit. Let me turn the light off for a moment. So if you turn it around, you can see the little flaps. I just kind of pinched them in like that a little. And then I can use the white one for like cyclotron. And I just hang it on the tab in the back. The other part, of course, is on your phone, and that's the Pivo Pod app, and you can see it right there. It's on the App Store. It's in the for the Google Play Store too. Different things you can do with it. Click down here to the turntable. Now if I click the remote. Okay, now let's push in to where we're just in the box. After you've downloaded the app, you just touch the app and it starts. It tells you that you should push the button on the unit for about 3 seconds until you see the lights come on. Get my product placed again.